Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best woven outdoor chair is probably one of the most stylish and comfortable additions you can make to your patio, deck, or garden, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and functional design that can transform any outdoor living space into a cozy retreat. These chairs, often crafted with durable materials like rattan, wicker, or synthetic weaves, provide a welcoming spot to relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the fresh air, all while adding a touch of natural elegance and texture to your surroundings. Their versatility allows them to complement various decor styles, from bohemian and coastal to modern and minimalist, making them a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor ambience and create an inviting atmosphere for relaxation and enjoyment during warmer months. Number 5. Best Choice Products Acapulco 3-Piece Patio Set. Introducing a charming 3-piece outdoor set, perfect for intimate conversations. It includes 2 comfortable armchairs and a stylish accent table with a tempered glass top. This elegant bistro set effortlessly complements any porch or patio. Its trendy, transparent design and glass tabletop create an eye-catching focal point. Relax in the oval Acapulco-styled chairs, featuring a high-back design. The firm yet flexible ropes provide an inviting and comfortable seating experience. Crafted with hand-woven, weather-resistant plastic rope over a powder-coated steel frame, this set is built for long-lasting use. Its lightweight construction allows for easy repositioning. Ideal for smaller spaces like balconies, this set offers a great solution. Each chair has a weight capacity of 350 pounds, ensuring sturdy support. What we like? This set is perfect for small spaces like balconies or intimate patios. If you're looking for a cozy spot for 2 with a touch of modern style, this is the one. Enjoy your morning coffee or evening drinks with its comfortable seating and convenient table. What people say. The chair is made of high-quality woven material that is durable and weather-resistant. Its unique design adds a stylish touch to any outdoor space. The chair is comfortable to sit in for extended periods, thanks to its ergonomic shape. Number 4. Best Choice Products Wicker Egg Chair. Add a unique, bohemian touch to your living space with its distinct open weave pattern. This accent seat perfectly complements your living room, bedroom, or sunroom decor. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it features water and UV-resistant wicker. The weather-resistant cushions ensure it's a perfect addition to your patio, garden, or poolside. Crafted with high-quality, water-resistant wicker tightly woven over a powder-coated steel frame, this piece is built to last for years to come. Sink into comfort with 4 generously padded, removable cushions. Its sturdy, 4-legged design and adjustable foot pads provide excellent support, holding up to 440 pounds. Enjoy ample space with its oversized opening, perfect for taller individuals. The large seat invites you to curl up comfortably with a book or your favorite media. Whether indoors or outdoors, this chair offers a stylish and comfortable seating solution. Its robust construction and appealing design make it a versatile addition to any setting. What we like? If you love to curl up with a book or just want to lounge in ultimate comfort, this oversized egg chair is your dream come true. Its generous size and plush cushions offer a sanctuary for relaxation. It's ideal for anyone seeking a statement piece that combines comfort with a trendy, bohemian vibe for their patio or even indoor space. What people say. The chair is made of durable woven material that has held up well outdoors. The design is modern and stylish, fitting perfectly with my patio decor. It's surprisingly comfortable for a woven chair, offering good support. Number 3. CleverMade Tamarack Folding Wooden Outdoor Chair. Instantly upgrade any space with these stylish boho folding chairs. They are perfect for entertaining friends or simply enjoying a relaxing moment outdoors. Bring comfort and unique style to any outdoor or indoor space. These lightweight chairs are easy to move wherever you want to relax. Enjoy extreme comfort and relaxation right out of the box. The ergonomic seat and tall backrest provide a perfect lounging experience. Crafted from beautifully harvested acacia wood, these chairs are 100% FSC certified. You can feel good knowing they are produced in responsibly managed forests. With generous dimensions when open and compact when closed, these chairs are easy to store. Enjoy their convenience and comfort all year round. What we like? For those who value both style and practicality, this folding wooden chair is an excellent choice. Its sustainable acacia wood construction adds a natural elegance to any setting. If you need versatile seating that's easy to set up, move, and store, this chair is perfect for spontaneous gatherings or creating a relaxed ambience on your porch or lawn. What people say. The chair is made of high-quality woven material that is durable and weather-resistant. The design is modern and stylish, adding a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. It is comfortable to sit in for extended periods, thanks to its ergonomic design and supportive backrest. Number 2. Best Choice Product Set of 2 Patio Dining Chairs. Enhance your outdoor space with these charming and functional chairs. They add a touch of elegance to any yard, patio, or deck. Built with a robust powder-coated steel frame and wrapped in all-weather wicker, these chairs are designed for lasting reliability outdoors. Relax in comfort with plush polyester cushions that offer excellent support. They are perfect for you and your guests. Get your set of 2 chairs ready in about 15 minutes. The simple 3-step assembly process makes it convenient for you. These chairs boast a classic design that complements various gatherings. They are ideal for parties, entertaining, or casual conversations. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds, these chairs are built to be sturdy and dependable for all your outdoor needs. What we like. This set of 2 chairs offers a charming and functional upgrade for your outdoor dining or seating area. If you're looking for reliable, all-weather seating that complements various outdoor decors, these are a great pick. Their straightforward assembly means you can enjoy them quickly, perfect for entertaining guests or creating a cozy conversation nook. What people say. The chair is made of durable woven material that has held up well outdoors. The design is stylish and modern, fitting perfectly with my patio decor. It's comfortable to sit in for extended periods, even without cushions. Number 1. YITAHOME Outdoor Wicker Dining Chairs, Set of 4. Infuse your outdoor space with a touch of nature. These chairs offer an elegant style that complements any decor, making your patio feel warmer and more inviting. Crafted with a powder-coated steel frame and wrapped in durable PE rattan, these chairs are built to withstand the elements and support up to 265 pounds. Enjoy worry-free relaxation, rain or shine. Experience cloud-like comfort with plush cushions that invite you to relax and unwind. Sink in and let your worries melt away with every seating. Featuring comfortable armrests, these chairs provide an added touch of sophistication and enhance your seating experience. They are designed for both comfort and style. Perfect for your garden, patio, or balcony, these chairs also bring a relaxed bohemian vibe to your indoor living and dining areas. Enjoy their stylish presence anywhere. What we like. If you need to furnish a larger outdoor space or want cohesive seating for family and friends, this set of 4 chairs is ideal. The woven rattan style brings a natural, warm feel to your patio or garden. Consider this set if you appreciate the added comfort of armrests and a durable, weather-resistant design that blends seamlessly with various decor styles. What people say. The chair is made of high-quality woven material that is durable and weather-resistant. The design is modern and stylish, adding a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. The chair is comfortable to sit in, even for extended periods, thanks to its ergonomic design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.